Hello, hello. This is my Bujo RV, and this is a cheap power bank, and this is how long I run off this power bank. I have two of these. There's no power inverter or nothing, straight up battery, and you can read the watts it's using. So if you needed something for 10 hours of power outage, and you could pump energy in this over on this side from another power bank. So if you wanted to cut your watts down, you could save it down. You could put 165. You could have it running continuously with another one. This is a perfect ideal to expand your battery. So you can see it working. I'm using direct cable, and I have the actual wire that comes with it into the unit. There's no power inverter. There's no loss of energy. It's direct battery power. And this is the time that you can expand it. And like I said, you can always add energy into this socket over here if you want to have it. We go for 20 hours, 24 hours, 32 hours. As long as you can put 180, 190 in this side, and you can easily get 24 hours out of two of these same power banks, or another power bank, to increase your usage. Like I said, this is all one power. There's no tricks. This is the one all new wire. I customized it. It works, and I like it. It uses very low energy. This is good. I use it to cool me off in my little personal space at times. So I haven't seen nobody do this with no power inverter. You don't have to do no step up. This is straight battery connection. I got this from another AC unit. I can't say the name, but this works. Thank you for watching. See how many hours we get on one power bank. God bless.